there, Sherry here. Welcome to 2 on Tuesday. Each week I share a powerful 2-minute tip that when implemented in your business will have a dramatic increase on your productivity, your results, and the ease and success you enjoy in your business. Today I want to talk about digital decluttering. Now what do I mean by that? Well, if you're anything like me, in today's uncertain times, we're spending a whole lot more time on our computer, in front of our phones, attached to all these digital devices that we've come to rely on, right? So how do you declutter from all the digital technology that we're dealing with every day? Well, here's 3 tips for you. The first tip is I want you to go into your phone and delete every app that you aren't using on a regular basis. What would it be like to just have maybe a couple of pages of apps that you really use every day versus scrolling through page after page of apps, many of which you probably haven't even used since you downloaded them? Just like cleaning out your closet, it makes room for what's important and makes it a whole lot easier to find what you're looking for. The second tip is to schedule your digital time. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, what I do is I block 15-20 minutes in the morning and 15-20 minutes late afternoon for social media, for instance. And I do my best to only have those 2 blocks be when I go onto Facebook, because we all know that that can take you down that Facebook rabbit hole, right? So bulk those tasks, bunch them together, and check all your pages, check all your personal feed, all of that at one time in the morning and one time in the afternoon versus in little blocks throughout the day, which will add up a lot more than those 2 20 to 30 minute blocks. Do the same thing for checking email, for responding to texts, everything else in your digital platform. Bundle those tasks together and watch your productivity soar. The third tip, and this is the most important and most critical one, and that is to go into your computer and your phone and delete all push notifications. Every time your phone pings, it breaks you out of whatever focus you were on and decreases your productivity. Because we all know that the truth is multitasking is a myth. Our brains are not designed to multitask. And every time that ping takes you out of your zone that you're in and whatever you're working on, you have to spend time to get back to what you were doing. And every time you do that adds up to less and less productivity in your day. So those 3 tips, the first one is to make sure you clean out your apps, make sure that you schedule your digital time in blocks, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And the third one, delete your push notifications. Those 3 will declutter your digital life and increase your productivity. That's it for this week's 2 on Tuesday. I'll see you next week.